Welcome to Entertainment News on Igbo Area TV. I'm your host, Azoka OJ, and today we have got a jam-packed lineup of entertainment news that you won't want to miss. From surprise album features to heartfelt messages of resilience, we are covering it all. So let's dive right in. First up, the much anticipated announcement from the renowned indigenous rapper Phyno. He's just revealed the track list for his forthcoming album, Full-Time Job, and it has sent shocking waves through the music industry. The most talked about feature, none other than jailed internet sensation Hushpuppi. This inclusion is particularly intriguing, given the history between the two. Back in 2017, Hushpuppi accused Phyno and fellow rapper Ice Prince of sporting fake Patek Philippe watches. That accusation ignited a heated feud on social media, with both sides exchanging sharp jabs.
The beef. In 2017, Hushpuppi called out Phyno and Ice Prince on Instagram, accusing them of wearing fake designer items. He specifically targeted Phyno's fake Patek watch and Ice Prince's fake Gucci clothing. Reactions. Phyno responded with a diss track, Fua Sua, which many interpreted as a subtle reply to Hushpuppi's claims. Ice Prince also responded, denying Hushpuppi's allegations. Aftermath. The controversy sparked a heated debate among Nigerians, with some defending Phyno and Ice Prince, while others supported Hushpuppi's claims. In 2020, Hushpuppi was arrested in Dubai for alleged cyber fraud and money laundering. He's currently facing trial in the United States.
Now, years later, Phyno's decision to feature Hushpuppi, who is currently serving time in a US prison for his involvement in a massive fraud scheme, has fans speculating widely. Track number 5, titled Nwoke Esike, features an interlude from Hushpuppi that has everyone buzzing. Fans are reacting passionately. One user wrote, "Is that Hushpuppi I see on number 10? While another commented, "You feature Hushpuppi all the way from prison. Wow! It's clear this collaboration is raising eyebrows and stirring conversation across the internet." A music critics believe these moves could redefine relationships in the industry. This collaboration shows that artists can move past conflict and showcase growth, he stated. It reflects a more forgiving culture in the music scene. Moreover, with collaborations from A-list artists like Check, Flavor, Burna Boy, and Johnny Drill, Full-Time Job is shaping up to be a monumental release. Fans are eagerly waiting to see how these unique blends of styles will come together. Switching gears, we turn to the drama surrounding Nigerian cross-dresser James Brown. He has finally addressed the buzz about his alleged visit to Bobrisky while he was at Kirikiri Maximum Prison. Amid swelling bribery allegations, James confirmed he did visit but revealed some surprising details.
So now the truth is that I kind of like it, because the thing is, yeah, this very dark kind of bring everybody dark side out. People you will not see in their widest view, like, it's kind of crazy. Actually, it came to me so that, this one, nothing is here, and you went back, even though you see anything there, there's nothing to be ashamed of for me. We couldn't see Bobrisky because she denied me of seeing her. Imagine waiting for 10 hours, Bobrisky denied me from seeing her. Why would you deny me accessibility to see you? That was the sight of it all. That was the sight of it all. I actually should have dragged you, but I am more mature than that. I should have dragged. Why will you not allow me for like 10 hours standing there, you Bobrisky? You not allow me to come and see you, girl, after spending all the money? But I won't do that. I won't do that. That is something people want me to do, but I won't do that. I won't do that. It's something that we don't do it. So we are in good terms, and
In his video, James expressed his frustration after waiting for hours to see Bobrisky, only to be left without a meeting. "I couldn't verify if he was actually in prison," he lamented. This raised questions about Bobrisky's situation and whether he is still facing legal repercussions. James also took aim at social media commentator Very Dark Man, who has been vocal about the allegations against Bobrisky. "I think he needs to learn to control his mouth," James stated, challenging Very Dark Man's constant criticism. This clash has only added fuel to the ongoing saga. In a more uplifting story, May Edochie has joined fellow celebrities in celebrating Nigeria's Independence Day. The estranged wife of actor Yul Edochie shared a series of stunning photos emphasizing resilience and creativity in her beautiful outfit. May wrote, "As Nigeria celebrates 64 years of independence, I stand proud as a woman embracing the beauty of my roots." Her words resonate deeply with many, serving as a reminder of strength we possess as a nation. Fans flooded her posts with messages of support and admiration. One user commented, "A beautiful woman, May. May the Lord continue to shower His blessings upon you and your family." Another wrote, "Omo, when they thought it's over, she reloads." When May reloaded, clearly her message has struck a chord with her audience. Finally, let's talk about actor Iyke, who recently shared a reflective post on social media, embracing his role as the villain in certain narratives. In his thought-provoking message, he explored the complexities of morality and the perception of others. "I have grown extremely comfortable being the villain in some people's stories," he shared. "It's a consequence of what side of the fence you sit on." Jim encourages his followers to trust people to be who they truly are, emphasizing the importance of staying true to one's values. His insight offers a fresh perspective on public perception and the intricacies of personal identity, resonating with many who have faced similar judgments. As we wrap up on today's segment, we want to hear from you. What do you think about Phyno's collaboration with Hushpuppi? Do you believe they have reconciled, or is this just a strategic move? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on Igbo Area TV Entertainment News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest updates in entertainment. I'm Azuka OJ, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.